Good morning. This is Mr. Oberholzer talking to you from his basement where I've been living for the past 3 months. This is my first day back. This is May 4th, 2020. And this is the word of the day. The word of the day is I'd like you to go to Unified Classroom, go to the page, Remote Learning page, and under the heading 54220, the Monday, you want to click and you want to take a survey on remote learning. I'm going to use the results of that survey today to fine-tune the remote learning experience that I'm going to provide for the rest of the year. So I really need you to do this. And the survey is not anonymous. You have to put your name to it. And the reason why is this. It's important for me to understand how the group feels and interacts with remote learning. But it's also important for me to understand how the individual feels about and interacts with remote learning. And so I need you to put your name to it. And I'm going to analyze that, fine-tune my organization of the remote learning process, and then we'll move forward from there. And tomorrow I'll have a more in-depth presentation as far as the remote learning experience. You'll see on the page that the daily lessons are on the left, and the resources, including the Dropbox for the page, are on the right. Take a look at the organization of the page, and I'm looking forward to greeting you in a more detailed manner a little later on, and I'm looking forward to reading your responses to the survey. So go ahead, get up, get a cup of coffee, and complete the survey. And then if there's anything at all that you need to turn in that would go in the third marking period, make sure it's in the appropriate drop boxes. All right, I can't wait to see all of you at some point. And so we will talk again on tomorrow's Word of the Day. Bye-bye.